The Cruising into Spring Car Show, St. Mary's County Technical Center parking lot. There's the Tech Center there. Leonardtown High School is over there. Leonardtown Middle School is beyond the Tech Center on the other side. Got some cars and trucks here to look at. Let's see what we can get into. I'm John. This is Adwater Garage. Thanks for tuning in. All right, let's get into the car show here. Looks like we got one of the Charger here. That's nice. A supercharger on it. Steve's 48 Ford based street rod here. Really like this thing. Got a small block Chevy in it. I forget what the bed and the grill shell are from, but they're different vehicles. Really well done. It's Billy's 64 Biscayne. Gotta love the headers on that. Look at the way they swoop up through the engine compartment. There's Tim's 32 Ford, real steel. 392 Chrysler Hemi and a blower. Gotta love that. Got Jeff's Chevy truck here. That's well done. I love the patina on that thing. Look at this Ford pickup. It's one of the twin I-beam ones, so it's either a 65 or 66. It's got a, looks like it's got an FE motor in there. Look at this Cadillac. That's really nice. I think it's a 56. I'm not sure. Not sure. Beautiful car. Look at that. Gotta love it. Let's go across here and see what else we can see. Here's Aubrey's Shoebox Ford. Chopped, suicide doors. A small block Chevy powering it. Very nice. Look at this Dodge Dart. I'm sorry, it's a Plymouth Valiant. Sorry, my mistake. Slant 6 powered, glad he kept that. Beautiful body and paintwork on that. Nice green. Look at this Camaro. Pace car decals on the side. Nice stuff here. The rains early in the day unfortunately did keep attendance down, but let's cover what's here. There's Billy's Henry J. Got the 4.8 LS swap in it. It's got air conditioning. You can drive this thing anywhere. John Edwards Town Creek Shop engineered the swap into that. A lot of work involved there. Nice car. Swing around, see what's on the other side here. A Chevy S10. The weld wheels on it. Gotta love that. And you gotta have a V8 in it, traditional small block Chevy V8. Not sure what the cubic inch on that one is. Looks pretty fast. Here's one of the newer 5.0 Mustangs. I like these. I wouldn't mind having one of those myself. Another look at the S10. And there's a look at the Mustang. A Fox body Mustang. LX hatchback. They've converted this one to carburetor. These things were fuel injected when they were new. Sometimes when they're modified, it's easier to get the carburetor running on them. Look at this Cadillac. That is clean. Looks like it's pretty fast too. Some supercharged LS power under the hood. Yes, indeed. Gotta love it. Nice wheels on it. A couple motorcycles. Royal Enfield. This is one of the newer ones. Chrome gas tank looks nice on that. Joined by a Harley. Some pretty colors on it. Usually don't see that. Well, that'll do it. Thanks for watching, folks. We really appreciate it. We'll see everybody on the next one. Take care, folks.